When someone searches for business near them, they usually do not want to scroll through dozens of websites. They want to find a nearby business quickly, check its reviews, see where it is located, and decide whether to contact or visit it. Imagine someone searches for plumber near me or best restaurants near me. Google may show a map with several local businesses before the regular organic search results. For local businesses, appearing in these results can bring highly targeted customers who are already looking for the products or services you offer. But how does Google decide which businesses appear on Google Maps? Why does one business appear at the top while another business barely gets any visibility? This is where local SEO comes in. In this video, we'll explain what local SEO is, how Google Maps ranking work, and the most important thing you can do to improve your local visibility. So let's talk about what is local SEO. Local SEO is the process of optimizing your online presence so your business can appear more prominently when people search for products or service in a specific location. Unlike traditional SEO, which focuses primarily on ranking websites for searches across a broader audience, local SEO focuses on reaching people in a specific geographical area. For example, a dentist in New York does not necessarily need to rank for dentists across the entire United States. They want to appear when people in their service area search for terms like dentist near me or dentist in New York. This is the main purpose of local SEO. How Google Maps ranking work? Google generally considers three major factors when determining local rankings: relevance, distance, and prominence. Relevance means how well your business matches what the person is searching for. Distance refers to how close your business is to the search or the location specified in the search. Prominence relates to how well known and trusted your business appears based on information Google finds across the web. These factors work together to determine which business appear in local search results. Optimize your Google business profile. One of the most important parts of local SEO is your Google business profile. Your profile tells Google important information about your business, including your business name, category, address, phone number, website, service, hours, photos, and other details. Make sure information is accurate and complete. Choose the most relevant primary category for your business and add another relevant categories where appropriate. A complete and accurate profile gives both Google and potential customers a better understanding of your business. Get more customer reviews. Reviews are another important part of local SEO. When customers leave genuine reviews about their experience, they provide useful information to both potential customers and Google. Encourage satisfied customers to leave honest review on your Google business profile. Do not buy fake reviews or create reviews yourself. Focus on providing a good customer experience and making it easy for real customers to share their feedback. Responding professionally to reviews can also help demonstrate that your business actively engages with customers. Keep your business information consistent. Your business information should be consistent across your website, Google business profile, directories, and other online platforms. Pay particular attention to your business name, address, and phone number. If different websites show conflicting information, it can create confusion for both customers and search engines. Maintaining accurate and consistent information helps establish trust and make it easier for Google to understand your business. Create localized website content. Your website also plays an important role in local SEO. Your service page should clearly explain what your business offers and where you provide those services. For example, a plumbing company serving multiple cities can create useful location-specific pages that explain the service available in each area. However, avoid creating dozens of nearly identical pages simply to target different locations. Each page should provide genuinely useful and unique information for that location. Build local citation and links. Local citations are mentions of your business information on other websites, such as business directories, industry websites, and local platforms. Relevant and trustworthy citations can help Google confirm that your business information is accurate. Local backlinks can also strengthen your website's authority. Links from local organizations, publications, businesses, or industry-relevant websites can be particularly helpful when they are earned naturally. Add local business information to your website. Your website should make it easy for visitors to understand where your business operates. Include important information such as your business address, service area, phone number, opening hours, and directions where appropriate. You can also use relevant structured data to help search engines better understand your information about your local business. Common local SEO mistakes. One common mistake is creating an incomplete Google business profile and then expecting it to rank. Another is using incorrect business information across different platforms. Some businesses also create low-quality location pages that offer little value to users or try to manipulate ranking with fake reviews and keywords traffic. Local SEO should focus on providing accurate information, building a genuine reputation, and creating useful experience for local customers. So to sum up, local SEO helps businesses become more visible when potential customers search for products and services in a specific area. A strong local SEO strategy starts with an optimized Google business profile, accurate business information, genuine customer reviews, relevant local content, and trustworthy citations and links. The goal is not simply to appear on Google Maps. The goal is to become trusted and relevant choice for people searching in your area. If your business depends on customers from a specific city, neighborhood, or service area, local SEO can be one of the most valuable parts of your digital marketing strategy. The key is to build a strong local presence consistently. At Digital Solution Zone, we help businesses improve their local visibility through strategic SEO, Google Business Profile Optimization, Content Optimization, and Authority Building. We also provide complete digital marketing solutions to help businesses attract more customers and grow online. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.